Yo, what's up mga korikong? Ito na po ang update ng domestic workers dito sa South Korea. Outdated na po ako. Pasensya na po. Ngayon lang nakapag-update at nakagawa ng video. Last July 31 pa po ito posted ng Korean Times at ng Yonhap at iba-iba pang balita dito sa South Korea. Naging busy po ako sa seasonal farm worker. Around 100 foreign domestic workers to work in Seoul this year. 100 lang po. Pero pag naaprubahan po at gumanda ang performance ng mga nauna na 100, baka masundan pa ng marami ito. Kaya abang po. Galing po ito sa Korean Times, around 100 foreign domestic workers to work in Seoul this year. Labor Ministry. Ayan po. Nagpulong-pulong sila. About 100 domestic worker from the Philippines and other countries will be allowed to work in Seoul later this year. Pilot project, kumbaga ito pa lang yung magiging umpisa. Tawag dito. The ministry unveiled the plan during public hearing and proposal to import foreign domestic workers as part of efforts to address shortage of people willing to work as maid, tackle the low birth rate, and help women to continue their careers. Kukuha daw ng mga domestic worker para madagdagan yung population nila dito. Anong gagawin doon sa mga babaeng Pinay? Hindi po, sa mga Koreana po. Magka-anak sila ng mga asawa niya, magkaroon sila ng time sa isa't isa. Tapos yung may mga trabaho kasi dito po, working ang mga babae din. Ayun na nga, in the situation where the local workforce is in the sector is shrinking and aging seriously. 100 people from mostly Southeast Asian country, hahatiin po yung 100 sa iba't ibang bansa, including the Philippines. Lagi na lang Philippines ang sinasabi dito. Will provide housekeeping and infant care service for at least 6 months lang ang kontrata. Priority will be given to household with both husband and wives working. Ang bibigyan lang nito yung mga pamilyang nagtatrabaho parehas yung mag-asawa. Kagaya ng single parents or household with pregnant women. Kunyari may anak yung buntis na babae, maaaprobahan. Single parent, maaaprobahan din. State Authorized Employment Agencies, DMW na po ang hahawak nito or POEA. Kasi E9 visa, POEA lang naman po ang nahawak nito sa atin. Wala pong agency, government agency lang po natin, DMW. Search nyo lang po, www.dmw.gov.ph, pero hindi pa po ito pinopost, kaya abang po. And place them in household. They will pay at least legal minimum wage, just like local workers. Parehas po ng sahod namin ng mga factory worker at ng mga Koreano. Dito ang magiging sahod ninyo. Yung bagang nasa labor rate na 2,010,000 won. 580. 6 months training of vocation. Countries under consideration are those issuing license for domestic workers such as the Philippines are allowed to work as domestic worker in foreign countries after under 6 months of training and vocational training center. Kailangan mag-training ng 6 months. Tapos 6 months lang din yung kontrata. The government will check the background of foreign workers such as career, criminal records, as well as their Korean or English language ability. Pahirapan to. Kailangan fluent kang mag-English. teacher ka na lang ng Korean language kaysa mag-domestic helper ka. Those with criminal records, mental disease, or drug problems will be screened out. May training pa po na Korean language, culture, and labor law bago ilagay sa mga bahay-bahay. Ministry said rising demand utilize foreign workers to prevent career discontinuity of women. Who charge about 15,000 Korean won, $11.8 times nyo po sa peso yung $11.8 per hour, which is more than minimum wage. Ang sabi pa dito, domestic workers who reside in their employer's home while providing housekeeping or care work charge about 3.5 to 4.5 million won per month. Kung doon ka nakatira sa bahay ng amo mo, yan ang sasahurin mo. 3.5 to 4.5 million. Ang 1 million nasa 42,000 times 4.5 mo. Times 3.5 mo yung 42,000. Ang laki. Grabe ang laki. Ang balita dati, hiwalay daw ang bahay. Pero ngayon, may sinasabi dito kung nakareside sa employer, ganyan daw magiging sahod. The government plans to start providing the service starting in the later half of 2023 after conducting analysis on the performance of the pilot project. Kaya po, abang po kayo sa DMW lagi. Hindi pa ito posted sa government natin, balita pa lang po ito. Pero aprobado na. Good luck sa lahat na magiging aplikante nito. Pahirapan po ang Korean language dito. Kailangan fluent ka. Yun lang po.